In today's video, we'll be looking at the topic development. In the previous video, we looked at the topic centroids. Now, the first thing that we're going to do to draw the development for today's drawing, we'll be drawing the plan. So we'll be using our plan to get our front elevation, which is required. All right, so we'll be drawing the hexagon first. All right, there is our plan, the hexagon. Or the next thing we're going to draw now is a baseline. I'm going to draw the baseline. Then we're going to draw the front elevation for the hexagonal base pyramid. All right, we're going to go back to our construction layer. I'm going to draw a construction line. All right, what we're going to do now, what we did a while ago, we got the corners, the other two edgy corners for the on the base of the pyramid. So what we're going to draw now is the sides. All right, there we have our front elevation is complete. All right, so we have completed the first part of the question, which is to draw the given view, which was the given front elevation. All right, the next thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw an arc, a construction arc from the apex. So let me label the apex for you. This is the apex, which is the top of the pyramid. Okay. We could have labeled it A if we wanted. All right. Go. So now we are going to draw an arc. So we're going to use this one, center, start, and here we're going to draw it up. All right, so that's our construction arc drawn from this point. Let me label this point 1. Label this point 1, 1. All right. All right, so the radius was from the apex to this point labeled 1. All right. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw arcs from 1 going around to represent the sides. So we're going to need 6 arcs of radius 40 millimeters. Okay, what we did, we drew arcs from 1 and the radius of the arc was 40 and we continued until we had 6 spaces, right? 6 arcs. Then the next step now is to draw lines from these points, which is 2 to the apex, then to 3, then 4 to the apex, then to 5, then 6 to the apex, then 1. Right? Or the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to draw the edges for the pyramid. So what you're looking at is the construction. So let us draw it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're drawing lines. 5, 6, and back to 1. And then we'll be drawing it to the apex. Then we darken the edges. All right, so this is the development for the hexagonal base pyramid. All right, so in the next video, we'll be looking at intersection of solids. Bye.